Hey, you need a ride?
Yeah, but does this thing have Bluetooth, like for music?
Not quite.
What about the CV? Does that work?
Back in the 70s.
You need to get a Cartronics and get this figured out.
I'll be right back.
Welcome to Cartronics.
Hey, I need a radio and I need it fast. I'm in a hurry.
Perfect, you came to the right place. Let's have a look. You need it for a motorcycle, boat, UTV, golf cart?
Need it for a car. 77 Trans Am. I want it to look kind of retro, but have some modern touches like Bluetooth.
I've got just the thing for you.
Is that the Bandit? I didn't know he shops here too.
So for a classic Trans Am like that, to add Bluetooth, we'll replace it with one of these retro style radios that looks just like the original.
Perfect. And also, I gotta get my CB fixed. You guys do stuff with that?
Absolutely, we can do anything electrical, so we'll take care of that while we're in there. Now, I'm pretty busy today, but for the Bandit, I'll get you in right away.
Awesome. How's it going, sir? Wow, yeah, you guys did incredible. I love it. It looks great. Now for my favorite song. Can I get a radio check?
Hey, you came back. See, I told you Cartronics was the best.
Bluetooth us a song.
I know just the song to play.